green cell. And the best part about this company, UPL, where he is heading the sustainability division, is UPL has embedded sustainability and benefited from this. As if we talk about the Dow Jones Sustainability Index, the company has bettered its score from 21 in 2016 to 66 in 2021. And the best companies in the world are in a rank of, say, 90 odd, I believe. That's what the report talks about. So let me hear about from Dr. Mrityunjay Chaubey itself about the embedded sustainability that UPL is doing. So over to Dr. Chaubey, sir.
Thank you. And I think as far as Dow Jones Sustainability Index is concerned, I think in agrochemical companies, if you see among agrochemical companies, then UPL is number one as far as Dow Jones Sustainability Index rating is concerned. And UPL is the only agrochemical company in the world who has been figured in Dow Jones Sustainability Yearbook. So that is about our credentials. So what we feel at UPL, and we are driving sustainability, that sustainability ensure one thing is responsible use of natural resources. So we much focus that how the natural resources can be used responsibly. And second thing is sustainability ensure smarter innovation. So I think on the front of responsible use of natural resources, last 5 years, if you see, we reduce considerable amount of our environment footprint in operation. And in 2015, when Paris Agreement on climate change came, then in the year 2016, we set a target that by 2020, we will reduce 30% environment footprint. And nearly approximately 30% we reduced. And 30% environment footprint reduction means not only carbon reduction, but we also include 30% water reduction inside our operation, 30% waste generation reduction, and 30% carbon emission reduction. And more or less, approximately we have achieved by 2020. Now we have set another target for 2025 that further we will reduce 25% our environment footprint by 2025. So we are talking in 10 years of time, nearly 55% environment footprint reduction. So that's about where we our policy goes toward the responsible use of natural resources. As far as smarter innovations is concerned, I think sustainability enables us to bring a lot of technology, sustainable green technology. And one good part of what we have done at UPL, and I expect that the similar kind of model can be followed in industry. We have set up a one energy cell and second green cell. And actually in these cell, a lot of engineers, biologists and scientists are there. And their only work is to develop sustainable green technology in order to reduce the environment footprint of UPL. And by that way, we get a lot of advantage, a lot of green sustainable technologies we able to implement inside the organization, and we achieve all these reductions. So I think this is a part of this. Another thing on sustainability is that sustainability doesn't mean that just focus on the operation. It is a kind of things where we have to adopt a structured approach towards sustainability, and we have followed the principle of embedding triple bottom line. So triple bottom line approach at UPL means we have also, one is the environmental dimension, which we have taken in our policy and the sustainability. But a part of environmental dimension, we have given equal weightage to the governance dimension and the social dimension. So all environment, social and governance dimensions has been implemented in our sustainability policy. And in last 5 years, a lot of policy we have aligned toward the Paris Agreement on climate change and also the SDGs. So today, if you see, among 17 SDGs, UPL has prioritized 5 SDGs, and we are working on 5 SDGs. And all those achievements and the work we used to report through the sustainability report. So I feel that for chemical industry, it is very important that they should adopt triple bottom line approach. Also, they should align their policy toward the Paris Agreement on climate change, SDG, such that they can transform their business into 1.5 degrees Celsius world. And also, it's very important to set the target and goal for the company from top to bottom line approach. Means there must be a set target and goal for the business, and it should be regularly reported in the public domain through the sustainability report. So I think by that way, I feel that the chemical industry can embed sustainability in a better way.
So we were going through your report, and I can tell you that it's a 92-page report that I was looking at, UPL Sustainability Report 2020 and 21, which is there on your website, and it is very comprehensive. And I think all the parameters that you talked about, the UN Sustainable Development Goals, parameters that you have with respect to carbon dioxide emission by 25%, by water consumption, and specific waste disposal by 25%. All that is enumerated in a very beautiful way. Thank you, sir. Now I request Mr. Amit Dikshit, Vice President, Aditya Birla Chemicals.